Hey guys, this is Shishmita again, and today we have made a plan to visit a local mela, or you can say exhibition kind of a place. I'm gonna surely vlog over there, and first of all, just see what I'm wearing. So guys, this is what I am wearing. This is a nude colored lipstick and the gold pencil. I just lined my eyes, and I'm wearing this cheetah printed top with this black long skirt. And I'm not wearing my lenses today. I'm just want to go. So this is kind of desi exhibition you guys are watching, and these are the crockeries, steel crockeries, and some household pots. And you can also see the stalls, food stalls. Some of them are fuchka, we call it in Bengali, and in Hindi it's called kolgappe. And you can see some house utensils over there. So yeah, we had a lot of fun over there. What we took was only some petty things for my niece, and you can see this after this vlog is going to end. And yeah, I hope you all will enjoy this small vlog of mine. And if you enjoy, then please don't feel shy to give this video a thumbs up, and I need your support. Thank you. Bye-bye. কথা মনে রাখবে, যেখানকার মান সেখানেই রাখবে। বিক্রি তোমার ফেরত বা পাল্টানো হয়, এতে দেখাশোনা করি এলাকাটা আপনার চটিগুলো কত করে দেখি আসতে So what I got from Meena is this nice Barbie doll mirror. If you can see, let me open this for you. See how pretty it is. And we got this stainer. Actually I own this by a game there in Mela. And then we got this mouth refresheners and these stars. These are glowing stars. After dark you can see it glowing, and they have stickers behind it to stick it all over the walls. And then we got this marshmallows and some sweets and some snacks.